Hey there, commercial truck drivers. If you're planning on crossing into Canada with a commercial load, there are a few things you need to know to get safely across the border. And that includes what travel documents you need to present to Canada Border Services Agency at the time of arrival. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this Customs Consulting Do-It-Yourself video, we'll explore everything you need to know about travel documents, whether you're a US citizen, permanent resident, Canadian citizen, or foreign national. So let's get started. If you're an American citizen ready to cross the border into Canada, listen up, because Canadian law requires that all travelers entering the Great White North carry proof of citizenship and identity. But don't fret though, because it's a breeze with a valid US passport, passport card, or Nexus card. But here's a pro tip. When it's time to return to the US, the crossing requirements are a bit more strict. So you'll need an approved Western Hemisphere Travel Initiative document, or an approved WHTI document, such as a passport, passport card, or Nexus card to make your smooth re-entry. If you're a foreign national but a permanent resident of the United States planning to drive across the Canadian border, you'll need a valid passport from your home country, as well as some sort of proof of your US residency, such as a valid permanent resident green card, CBP Form I-94 with an unexpired temporary I-551 stamp, and a passport-style photo, or a foreign passport with a temporary I-551 stamp. And if you want to double check that you have all your entry requirements squared away, be sure to visit CBSA's website for the full list. I'll include the link in the description below. If you're a Canadian citizen heading back home, there are a couple things you'll need to ensure for a smooth re-entry. First up, you'll need a valid Canadian passport or a Nexus card. Easy, right? Now, if you're a dual American-Canadian citizen, things get a little more interesting. You have the option to either present a valid Canadian or US passport upon arrival. Additionally, if you're a driver taking part in a Trusted Traveler or Trusted Trader program like the Free and Secure Trade or Custom Self-Assessment, you get to speed things up and use the Trusted Trader Fast or CSA lanes at the border. But here's the catch. To make use of these exclusive lanes, you'll need to have a valid Fast card with you at the time of arrival. If you're crossing the border with a commercial shipment, there are a few extra things you'll need to have on hand. First up, make sure you've got a physical ACI e-Manifest Conveyance reference number barcode or a PARS barcode label with you at the time of arrival. These little barcodes are required and super important to help streamline the process at the border. You might also be asked to provide a commercial invoice, bill of lading, or other documents pertaining to the shipment upon arrival. It might sound like a lot, but trust us, having all your paperwork in order will make things go a lot smoother. And if you need a little extra guidance on the barcodes and documents required at the time of arrival, don't forget to check out the link at the top of the video for more information. Happy hauling!
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here, or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to Border Connect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.